I don't know what is going on with my nose today. I woke up this morning and my nose was like, I just hope I'm not catching anything. Anywho, hi everyone, hello everybody, welcome. Now, if this is your first time around here, a warm welcome to you. Look below, guess what is down there? You're gonna see the word subscribe. Click on it and you will be subscribed. Right beside it, there is a little symbol that looks like a bell. If you click on that, you will get a notification each time I upload a video. Now, guess what, guys? If you are already subscribed, don't forget to hit that little bell also. That way, as soon as I post the video, guess what? You will get a notification. Okay, guys? Now, today, I have a all-time favorite. I am gonna be putting a twist to one of my favorite recipe. Whenever I find my skin getting dull and looking basically flaky and not radiant at all, when I tend to ignore my skin, this is my go-to. Today, however, I am gonna add a special ingredient to it. I am gonna be adding the pomegranate juice to this all-time favorite, and I'm gonna get a really nice pick-me-up because the pomegranate is loaded with antioxidant that is great for the skin, especially aging skin. If you find your skin aged, if you find your skin looking dull and you want to boost it up, you want to boost that collagen production, this recipe is for you. So come with me to the kitchen and I'll show you how to whip this up, and I will also show you how to use this wonderful treatment on your skin. Here are the ingredients. I'm going to be using some coconut oil. Now, if your coconut oil is in the liquid state, then put it in the fridge, let it set for about an hour, and it will turn solid. Our next ingredient is rose water. I'm also going to be using some pomegranate seeds, and I'm using some baking soda, okay? Now, to put this together, I'm going to blend a 1/4 cup of pomegranate seeds. No water, just blend. Now we're going to strain. It's not a lot, so we don't want to waste it, so we scrape. Then we're going to extract the pomegranate juice. So here is our pomegranate juice. And now we're going to put this together. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of baking soda. Always remember, baking soda is sodium bicarbonate. So a tablespoon. I'm going to use 1 teaspoon of coconut oil. One teaspoon of coconut oil and pomegranate juice, 1 teaspoon. And this is basically for one treatment. So now we're going to mix this together. It's going to take a while, so just be patient, okay? And here it is. So here is our leftover pomegranate juice, which is about 2 tablespoons. And now I'm going to add 1 teaspoon of rose water to our pomegranate juice. And we're going to give this a stir. So now I'm going to show you how to use this wonderful treatment. So here we have our baking soda, pomegranate, and coconut oil. And you just want to dip in. And you're going to exfoliate the skin. And this smells really, really great. Granules are very, very fine, so it's giving you a really nice scrub. Now, as you know, I love using the baking soda and coconut oil on my skin, but with the added benefit of the pomegranate juice, which is filled with antioxidant, vitamin C, and all these wonderful nutrients that is going to boost your collagen production and going to brighten and lighten your skin at the same time. It makes for a wonderful complete scrub. Don't forget to focus also on your nose where you tend to have blackheads and whiteheads. Okay, now once this is done, and go down on your neck. Once this is done, you want to rinse off with some warm water. Now here's my skin after step 1. You could see how bright, how glowing my skin is. And now I'm going to move on to step 2. So after exfoliating and rinsing your face, you're going to use your pomegranate and rose water. Dip your cotton in, soak it up, and just use it to wipe your face. This is acting as a facial toner, which is gonna cool the skin, smooth the skin, and it is also gonna help your skin to look fresh and radiant, okay? So there you have it. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button if this was the first time watching. Also guys, if you already subscribed and you're not getting the notification, go ahead and hit that little bell so that each time I upload a video, you will get your notification. If you like the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share the video and leave your comment. Thank you all for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye.